In today's video, I'm sharing this excellent guide for cloud servers, which comes to you from one-in-one. See, when it comes to cloud servers, there's a lot of noise about them, so to say, but then a lot of people have practically no clue about what they are, why they are used, why they are recommended, and so much more. See, essentially, these cloud services, they offer a number of different advantages for a number of application solutions, etc., which small and mid-sized businesses would definitely be using anyway. And in that regard, this particular white paper serves as a guide, especially for new users when it comes to say deciding when and how to use the cloud and much more. So this is a guide, a white paper, which is definitely highly recommended. What I've done is I've provided the direct link to this page where you can quickly navigate to this particular section and click here, download the white paper. That will instantly give you access to this white paper. I would recommend that before anything else, download this white paper and review it thoroughly. That will give you practically all relevant insights when it comes to cloud servers. And once you've done that, that's when you can in turn browse up and choose the particular cloud server in question for your business. See, when it comes to one-on-one, I definitely recommend them wholeheartedly. I've used them myself and their services have been practically unmatched. When it comes to the options on offer, they are practically endless, starting with the fact that whether it's a root or a managed setup that you can choose, whether it's a Linux or a Windows operating system that you can choose, whether the data centers to be located in the US, Germany, Spain, that in turn you can choose. All packages come with a $50 starting credit. And when it comes to the cloud servers themselves, there are ample options at hand. That way, you can in turn choose the particular cloud server size in question. And they're very flexible. See, because any small business, typically things scale up. So therefore, even if you start small, you're likely to grow. And that's when your requirement would also increase. So these are the kind of options, starting off with Cloud Server M, which works out to $9.99 a month, going all the way up to Cloud Server 5XL, which is $349.99 a month. Now, typically, as per my experience, I would say that Cloud Server XL, which works out to $29.99 a month, should be fairly sufficient for most startup businesses. Again, there are factors which I can't always say with complete precision that yes, this will definitely work in all cases, but in most cases this should be fairly sufficient. From there on, you can always graduate to the succeeding cloud servers. For instance, you could graduate from this one to the next one and so on. So that's something which I wanted to share. At the same time, what one-in-one does is there are other additional options as well. See, this flex option gives you a lot of flexibility. It lives up to its flex name, like the number of CPUs, the RAM memory, the SSD storage. Again, in the beginning, especially if you're a novice, it's very likely that you have probably no clue about these things, which is why again I come back to this white paper. That first thing, download this white paper, review it. You'll have a very good idea about all of these things, which will in turn ensure that you make the most optimal choice for your business. In terms of features central or pivotal to one-in-one, these are all of them. You'll typically not find all of these features in a particular cloud server service. So which again brings me back to the question that yes, when it comes to cloud servers, my number one choice will probably be one-in-one consistently. So that's something which I wanted to share in today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and of course stay tuned to Vikram Online Biz for much more.